Adje is Mrs. Sandra Steele, bliana ag Fèis Online, b Airline. Sauna Sahabi. I'm from South-Uist, and South-Uist is the only place in Britain where prehistoric mummies have been found. I started teaching at Fèis when I was the age of 17. My subject was singing, and I used to perform a lot around South-Uist at céilís and dances. I was asked to perform at one of Anne Lauren Gillis's concerts she was holding in our local community centre. When it was my turn to go on, I went up to sing, started on the right key, got to the first verse, reached the high note, when suddenly a balloon burst and there was a murmur of laughter around the hall. I stood there thinking, will I stop, will I start again, but continued with the song and reached the end without any more hiccups. Afterwards, Anne congratulated me on keeping going, even though I was distracted. I was the stand-in for the Foxy Bingo adverts. If you've not already done so, sign up for Fèis Online. Croesoddaf, h-Oidean. Tach beleid son het geestjach doen, cheerie drast.